Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free Spotify Premium, super easy guide. You get a 12-month coupon code, and then from there you can renew it every single 12 months. It's working right now, so make sure you follow the step-by-step guide. All right, the first step you want to do is go to this website right here. It's burr.ai. Once you're here, highly recommend doing this on a mobile device. It does not work on desktop, but you click on coupons, and there's a bunch of coupons. It's basically an AI finder that finds coupons that are available, and they validate them to make sure they fully work. As you can see right there, there's Spotify Premium, Uber Eats, Tinder, Pokemon Go, McDonald's, etc. So once you're on this website, just go ahead and find Spotify. If you can't find it, you can use the search at the top and just type in Spot or Spotify and you'll find it. Tap Get Code. And then once you tap Get Code, it'll start finding a coupon for you. There's 4 there right there. Reserving 1, it's validating to make sure it works. And it's validated. Now you have your coupon code right here blurred out. All you have to do is tap Get Full Code. If you are on a desktop, you're going to get this error message. So go on a mobile like now. And you can see right here, we have our coupon code. We just have to simply verify that we're human. So tap the verify that you're human button. And then on this screen, it's an advanced CAPTCHA. It's like a human verification CAPTCHA because, again, it's a free Spotify code for 12 months. So it's very expensive. So all you have to do on this screen is download and open 3 different applications. You tap on the first app right there, Family Island, right? It tells you step by step how to do it, but you tap on the first app, you download it, you open it for 30 seconds, and then you go on to the second app. And it opens on a new tab, so make sure you go back to the original screen to do the second app and third app. And once you're done, you're gonna get this screen right here with the coupon code. I'm gonna use it myself and show you guys it works, but you just click copy code right there. It'll be a 12-month code for this tutorial, and maybe I'll do a tutorial for unlimited, but this works for 12 months. So copy the code, and then you can just go to spotify.com. You can see right there, I have my code. I'm signed in already. I tap redeem. It's going to validate my coupon code, my gift card for 12 months, and boom, it's redeemed. Simple as that. If you want more tutorials and you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.